Nagantay siya dyan sa pintuan. Ayan yung pintuan. Oh. Kaya gustong paalisin ni Mary. It's breakfast time.
What Daddy's doing?
What? Jogging ka dyan, jogging, dali. Go, ito doon, malayo. Yan, para pumayat. Balik. Ikot-ikot ka lang. Go. Woo. Keep coming back, and then go back, and then go back. Go.